Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we want to talk about 10 amazing agriculture machines that are at another level. Let's start! Number 10. The Rayco RC80 stump grinder. The beast with an 85 HP Ford engine and a hydrostatic cutter wheel drive. Ever heard of Cummins cat? It's the magic one that lets the operator play with swing speed while keeping the torque and horsepower in check. And don't worry about the burnout, thanks to the engineer's creep mode. Oh, it has the wireless remote control that laughs at dust, water, and other puny elements. Need to pass through the gates? No problem, just throw in the wide hydraulic brake field blade and glide through. This machine is like the superhero of stump grinding, mighty, smart, and always ready for action. Number 9. With the OMC Hedgehog, the porcupine of the power tools. Sporting a whopping 200 HP Cummins State V twin turbo engine as a turbo truck based on a Hedgehog mission. With four-wheel drive and steering, it's like the ninja on the move, and the traction control keep it from the brake dancing unexpectedly. The cup is a VIP lounge, heated and air-conditioned for any weather tantrum. Equipped with LED light, it's ready to party all night long. And hey, it's got a backup camera for those oh hat moments. The hydrostatic transmission ensures smooth move, while the powder coast finish is a fashionable armor. Number 8. Say hello to the VariX X4500. The heavyweight champion of the farm dance up. Weighing in at a hopping 2,700 kg, this bad boy demands a tractor with at least 150 horsepower to tourist around the field. With a dance floor stretching 4,550 mm wide, it's ready to burst some move. Picture this during the tractor tango, cha-cha-cha, or the disco flow slide. It's a dance revolution. Just make sure to kill the music and let the VariX 4500 show off its farming flair. After all, who said tractor can have a little dance floor front? Number 7. Get ready for the roller coaster with the Pfanzelt Moritz FR75, the mighty mouse of the forest. With a proportional drive that kicks up to 6 km per hour at the speed tires of the wood, and when things get hairy, fear not. The Moritz flaunts a Hercules width with a pulling power of up to 7.2 tons. Emerges as the superhero, swooping in to save the day in the world of forestry, landscaping, or community service. With a power boost to 50 or 75 horsepower, Moritz is flexing its muscle while keeping a low profile. It's like the hook in the body of a small bulldozer. Watch out, forest! Here come the Moritz. Number 6. Book up for a pitland party with OJK screw-type ditchers. These bad boys slide through roots and trees like a hot knife through butter. Even frosty ground can stop their ditching dream. In just one pot, they create ditches so deep, it's like the pit red carpet event. The hydraulic rears play Bowser, keeping pitch in track and leveling the ditch. And those cowboy cutters, they are the three chomping heroes of the story. Safety, PLC 3000 Dutch has got your back, preventing any ditching disaster. Let's ditch and dance with OJK screw-type ditchers. Number 5. Rev up your plant party with the Arbor's 4000 JAV, emergence and 132 horsepower diesel engine, the hook of gardening. With a colossal 4,000-liter tank, it's like the mega juice box for plants, ensuring they stay hydrated for day long. The magic? Tailor application to each plant size, like a bespoke seed. No more product risk with high-tech application system with multi-ventilator control airflow like a pro conductor, reducing fuel consumption, efficient and eco-friendly. This machine the rock style of the plant world, Airbus 4000 JAB, where plants free and fewer beers stay slim. Number 4. Get ready for the tomato tango with the World Pro Tomato Transplant. Picture a green revolution in the palm of your hands. This beast is your gardening wingman, helping those juicy tomatoes find a perfect soil match with the precision of tomato cupid. As transplant your little red herbs swiftly and accurately. Say goodbye to the day of manual planting struggle. This baby is like the superhero of the veggie pet, making sure every tomato has its moment in the sun. Get ready to sunsail your wave to a tomato fiesta. Thanks to the World Pro Tomato Transplant, let the tomato tango begin. Number 3. Hold on to your nutcracker fork, because Exact Corp brings you the fun-static harvesting equipment extravaganza with the E7000, the ultimate self-propelled harvester that's like the James Bond of the nut gathering. Equipped with cutting-edge eco-clean tech, it's on a mission to save the day, maximum control, efficiency, and it even fight up that's bunnies. Imagine it's pirouetting through the orchards, ready to conquer almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts, like a nutty ballet dancer. It's the multitasking maestro of harvesting, accommodating your nasty desires. Number 2. Get ready for the futuristic farmer dreams, the autonomous herbicide orchid sprayer, or as we like to call it, the herbicide guts, created by the ingenious minds at the Guts Automation. This sprayer is like the Tesla of herbicide application. Picture it cruising through orchards, looking like it's prepping for a Martian joyride. With a 600-gallon stainless steel tank and adjustable spray brooms, it's a precision artist, applying herbicides with finishes. Guided by GPS leaders and optical camera, it's the orchid version of a GPS-savvy superhero. It knows where it's going, avoid obstacles like a pro, and does balletic turns at the end of each row. Less herbicides, more efficiency. It's the herbicide revolution we've been waiting for. The future is here and it's leaf spraying fantastic. Number 1. Hold your tractors. Here come the marvelous ATV, UTV agriculture rock picker. It's the rock star of the farm with a knack of collecting rock like a boss, ranging from pepper size to almost boulder-sized. Imagine it having a rock concert and picking out the best fan from the crowd. Weighing in at 400 kg, it's like the heavyweight charm of rock collecting, but fear not, it's got an unload height of 40 cm, giving those rock a smooth stage exits. Plus, it's all about easy connection and disconnection, like the rock and roll agricultural gadgets. Let's rock and roll on the farm. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you don't forget to like, and if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time!